Setup for flat lay artwork. In this example, I want to demonstrate a simple setup for photographing a brightly coloured book directly from above. Two sheets of coloured card offer a vibrant backdrop to contrast the book against. Use two flash heads, each with an 80cm softbox. These are positioned either side of your work and angled to direct the light across the work. This is to reduce reflections. It's important to get an accurate light meter reading to begin with. Decide on the aperture you wish to use and adjust the power pack accordingly. For flat artwork, aim for an exposure value of around f5.6. Use the grey card to get an accurate white balance setting. To do this, place the grey card in your scene, zoom in to fill the frame with the grey card and take a reference photo, which is then used to make a custom white balance via the camera's menu. You may need to switch to manual focus to do this. For exact colour reproduction, a colour checker swatch and calibrated workflow is highly recommended. You are now ready to photograph. When photographing your work in a sequence that requires page turning or repositioning, it's a good idea to place at least two markers at the corners of the work. Reposition the work and then remove the markers to take the photograph. Repeat this as many times as necessary.